Ever wondered if your cardio routine alone is enough to reach your weight loss goals? Have tried combining cardio with other forms of exercise before? You know, we've all been there, pounding the pavement or hustling on that treadmill trying to clock in those elusive miles. Cardio is a cornerstone of any weight loss plan, and for good reason. It gets your heart pumping, cranks up that metabolism, and, let's be honest, helps us feel a little less guilty about that slice of pizza. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon you could be adding to your fitness arsenal? Something that could take your workouts from good to great, from just sweating it out to truly understanding your body and its movements. Enter somatic exercises. Now you might be thinking, somatic what? Well, somatic exercises are all about body awareness. They're about tuning into your body, understanding how it moves, and making those movements more efficient. And when your movements become more efficient, you guessed it, you burn more calories. Somatic exercises don't just help you burn calories though, they also help reduce the risk of injury. And let's face it, nobody wants to be sidelined by a sprained ankle or a pulled muscle. By improving your body awareness and movement efficiency, somatic exercises help protect your body and keep you in the game. But the benefits don't stop there. Somatic exercises also offer a mental boost. They help you connect with your body on a deeper level and bring a sense of calm and focus. So you're not just getting a physical workout, you're getting a mental workout too. So why not combine the two? Cardio for that calorie burn, and somatic exercises for body awareness and injury prevention. It's a match made in fitness heaven. What's your favorite exercise? So, ready to unlock a new level of fitness by combining somatic exercises with your cardio routine? By the end of this journey, you'll be empowered with a new understanding of your body and a fresh approach to fitness that could be the game changer in your weight loss journey. Let's dive deeper. Now let's dive into some somatic exercises that can supercharge your cardio workouts. First on our list is the pelvic tilt. This is a great exercise that focuses on the lower back and abdominal muscles. It's all about subtle movements and deepening your awareness of your body. Imagine the base of your spine tilting upwards and downwards like a seesaw. This exercise can really help to enhance your cardio routine by strengthening your core, improving your balance, and increasing your overall body awareness. Next, we have the back lift. This exercise is all about engaging those back muscles that we often neglect during traditional cardio workouts. Here's how it works. You'll start by lying flat on your stomach, then you'll slowly raise your upper body off the ground using only your back muscles. Remember, this isn't about how high you can lift, but about really feeling and engaging those muscles. By incorporating the back lift into your routine, you can help to improve your posture, increase your back strength, and even enhance your breathing capacity. The third exercise we're going to explore is the side bend. This is a fantastic exercise for targeting those oblique muscles and increasing your flexibility. The idea here is to stand upright and then slowly bend to one side, reaching down with your hand as if you're trying to pick something up off the floor. Then, slowly straighten up and repeat on the other side. The side bend can really spice up your cardio routine by improving your lateral movement, increasing your flexibility, and helping to prevent injuries. Now you might be wondering, how exactly do I incorporate these exercises into my cardio routine? Well, the beauty of somatic exercises is their versatility. You can perform these exercises before your cardio to warm up and prepare your body, during your cardio to increase intensity, or after your cardio as a cool down. The key is to listen to your body and find what works best for you. Remember, somatic exercises are not about pushing your body to its limits. They're about enhancing your awareness of your body and its movements. So while you're performing these exercises, I encourage you to really focus on your body and the sensations you're experiencing. Notice how your muscles feel, how your body moves, and how your breath flows. This mindful approach can not only enhance your cardio workouts, but also transform your overall fitness journey. Incorporating somatic exercises into your cardio routine might seem a little out of the ordinary at first, but give it a try. You might be surprised at how much they can enhance your workouts and your overall fitness experience. With these exercises, you're not just working out, you're working smarter. Now, how about integrating these somatic exercises into your cardio routine? Let's take the guesswork out of the equation and dive right into it. When you're looking to incorporate somatic exercises into your cardio routine, it's all about the balance. It's like a dance, you don't want to step on your partner's toes, right? Start with a warm-up. A simple jog or brisk walk can do the trick. As you're warming up, start to bring in some somatic moves. How about adding a little shoulder roll to your jog, or a side stretch to your walk? It's about getting your body moving in new and unexpected ways. Next up, during your cardio workout, try to sprinkle in some somatic exercises. For instance, if you're on a treadmill, you might want to slow down and do a spinal twist every 10 minutes. It's a great way to keep your body guessing, and it adds a fun element of surprise to your routine. Remember, somatic exercises are all about awareness. So while you're doing your cardio, pay attention to your body. Are your shoulders tense? Is your breath short? If so, it might be time to slow down and do a somatic exercise to release that tension or regulate your breathing. It's like taking a mini wellness break in the middle of your workout. Now let's talk about after your workout. This is the perfect time to do some cool-down somatic exercises. Think about moves that will help your body recover and relax. Maybe that's a gentle forward bend or a calming body scan, but what about the intensity of these exercises? Well, that's where listening to your body comes in. If you're feeling tired, it's okay to slow down. If you're feeling energized, go ahead and speed up. The key is to make sure that you're not pushing yourself to the point of discomfort or injury. Remember, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And don't forget to mix it up. Variety is the spice of life after all. Try different somatic exercises, different cardio routines. Keep it fresh, keep it exciting. You'll be more likely to stick with your workout routine if you're not bored out of your mind. Lastly, be patient with yourself. It might take some time to get the hang of this somatic cardio combo, and that's okay. Every step you take, every move you make, is bringing you closer to your fitness goals. So, there you have it. A few tips on how to incorporate somatic exercises into your cardio routine. It may seem like a lot, but once you get into the swing of things, it's as easy as pie. And speaking of pie, remember that a balanced diet is also a key part of any fitness routine. But that's a topic for another day. Remember, it's not about pushing harder, but rather moving smarter. So, you've got the tools. Now it's time to take action. Let's consider this the starting block of your fitness marathon. But remember, this isn't a sprint. It's a journey. One that's bound to be filled with challenges, but also victories. You're not just aiming for that finish line, but the many milestones along the way. Now you have a shiny new toolkit, a blend of somatic exercises and cardio workouts. It's time to put those tools to use. Start incorporating somatic exercises into your cardio routines. It might seem like a small step, but it's these small steps that lead to big changes. Remember, the magic of this combination lies in its balance. Somatic exercises help you to become more in tune with your body, enhancing your awareness and control over your own movements. They are like the silent heroes, fine-tuning your body from the inside out. Pair this with the cardiovascular strength and endurance you gain from cardio workouts and you've got a winning team. But let's not forget, consistency is the key to seeing results. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your fitness journey be. Make a promise to yourself, a promise of commitment. Commitment to show up, to try, to persevere, even on the days when you'd rather not. There's a saying, the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Keep that in mind as you embark on this journey. So let's do a quick recap, shall we? The benefits of combining somatic exercises with cardio workouts are plentiful. You're not just working on your physical fitness here, but also your mental strength, your body awareness, and your overall well-being. You're gearing up for a journey that's going to transform you, not just on the outside but on the inside too. And that journey starts now. And now we're curious. Which somatic exercise are you most excited to try with your cardio workout? Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we drop new videos, packed with guidance, advice, and inspiration to keep you motivated on your journey to better fitness. We're here to support you every step of the way, and by subscribing, you'll have access to a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. So, go ahead, find that subscribe button and give it a click. It's a small step with a significant impact, just like adding somatic exercises to your cardio routines. Thank you for watching. Remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. It's all about taking one step at a time, and we're here to help you make those steps. Keep going and see you in the next video.